Hello everyone. In this video, we will automatically generate a report from our sales data. For example, you have hundreds and thousands of products and you are selling, you have your records of sales data. You would like to just generate the report from your data. So let's generate the data. For example, this is the date, we have product, amount and quantity. Now we want to summarize our data to see every product quantity and total price. So let's do it. So we will use a pivot table for this. Just click in your data and move to insert tab. Then in insert tab, let's click pivot table. In that pivot table, the data has been selected, and now here we will move to generate. It means create our report in a new worksheet. Press OK. So let's first of all rename this report, for example. Now let's just drag the date. Okay, look at here the pivot table fields. We will just drag this date to rows. Okay, to rows. Drag the date to rows. After dragging date to rows, now we will see the date in rows. So let's right click on one of this date, and here we will press group. After pressing group, now we will summarize this as month. It means that we will summarize the date of the report of every month. We want to see the report of every month. So here we will select month, and here we can select from 8, it means 1 to 30. But right now we have, let's make it, okay, let's from 1 to 30 date. Okay, it means every month, and press OK. So this is August month. Look at, everything has changed to August. It means this was 8th month, which is August. And after that, let's drag now product to the row again and down from date. So we will see the product like this, product A, B, C. We have these 3 products. After that, now let's just drag the quantity to values. So we have the quantity. Now let's drag the amount to values again, down from that. So look at, we summarize our data and we generated our report. So look at, the month is August. The total the sum of quantity is 84. It means total sell products are 84, and the sum amount, the total amount is 670. Now let's move to the product A, which is the total quantity of product A is 15. The total amount is 150. Product B 44, 360. Product C 25, 160. Let's check it. Look at, for example, C. We have total amount 118 and 50, which is 1 and 60. Look at 1 and 60, and the quantity is 25, 20 and 5, 25. So this was the report of generation using pivot table in MS Excel. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, like the video and comment down. Thanks for watching.